what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got the Buick out, T-tops are off, it's beautiful. I think we're gonna go head over to Ralph's house. He's working on his LS swapped BMW. I think he's gonna call it the GMW, something like that. But yeah, we're on our way there now. So let's cruise, check out what's going on. Jumped in the car and fired it up, and it seemed like it was missing down low. Not really sure why. It doesn't seem like it's doing it now, but under light load, taking off from a light, it was like what? It was weird. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that. Everything looks fine as far as the Scan Master. Not sure what that was all about, but we'll keep an eye on it while we're cruising up to Ralph's. But it was, again, light load, and it was just like missing. So we'll see what's going on. Otherwise, let's head up there and see what's up with Ralph's Garage. Check him out on YouTube. I'll put a link in the description below. He's just starting his channel, so head over there and give him some love right now. He'd appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Also, for me, I know a bunch of you who are watching this are not subscribers. I can tell by the analytics. So do me a favor, hit that little red subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Hit that bell notification so you get notified when I upload new videos. But let's head up to Ralph's right now. Oh, smash that like button. Do it now. All right, we're going to Ralph's. Here we go. All right, guys, we got to Ralph's, and for some reason it's missing. Like low RPM, light load, and then once you get into boost over like 5, 6, 7, 8 pounds, it kind of goes away. So I don't know if it's a coil pack, a bad plug wire, but I got the hood pop. We're gonna let it cool a little bit here. Ralph said he wants some drone footage for his YouTube channel, so Ralph's Garage is gonna get some Mavic Pro footage right now. So I'm gonna throw it up in the air and do a little hovering around here. All right, you ready? Here's the miss. All right, she's missing, but I think I have a spare coil pack in the truck, so we're gonna check, and if I have it, I'll throw that on, see if that helps. Cross my fingers. Yeah, I think I got a coil pack in the back. Let me check. Let's see if we got it. It'll make fun of all my crap back here. Oh, boom. New 86, 87 GN coil pack. Yeah, I got one. Prepared. GN guys.
Happen to have that kind of stuff.
Well, when you own one of these cars, you know to carry one of these as a spare, and this is literally brand new. Hold on, focus. There we go. Delco part number. So let's throw this bad boy on and see what we can do here, because I have a feeling. I just have a gut feeling.
All right, let's take the hood off.
Yeah. There we go. Brand new coil pack. She's fresh. We just gotta make sure we connect all the module lines on the bottom underneath correct. So
okay. I got some contact cleaner too. We can clean out your sockets that they go into.
Okay, cool.
Sounds good so far. Sounds better. Before it would stutter.
But this is no load.
Yeah, it was a no load.
All right, boys and girls, here it is. Change the coil pack, same results. It has a miss at like 1600 RPMs with the load, on the brake with the load. I'm not sure what it is, but we're gonna have to figure it out. I was fortunate I had a coil pack in the trunk, but that just did not do it. So we gotta start looking at other things, wires, plugs, I don't know. I think it's spark related. I don't think it's fuel related. I'll have to put a gauge on the fuel rail to find out what my PSI is, and when I boost to see if it goes up a pound per boost. But we'll see. I'll get it figured out. It's gonna miss on the way home. I'm gonna deal with it. It is what it is. But that's for another episode, right? That's why we do this, make some YouTube videos, some content for you guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified when I put up new videos. And don't forget, share with your friends if you enjoyed it. Appreciate it. Talk to you later. See ya.